new video of Lazy Chef. We're still vlogging today because so my what's it called, my quality isn't the best like an actual camera because I'm using my phone, but yeah, let's get straight into it. Today we're making another one of my weird sandwiches, and yeah, it's really good, easy to make, no cooking involved. So yeah, let's get to it. So we'll be using some really basic things: bread, polony, not ham, not brown, nyama bite, because who doesn't like nyama bite, right? Some cheese, some mustard, cucumber, yeah, I know, and some crisps. Let's do this. Normal bread, 2 slices, polony on one side, nyama bite on the other side. Guys, my cheese wasn't sliced, so cheese on each side, cucumbers on each side. We are going to put some mustard on each, and some crisps. Yes, people, crisps. Add the mustard. And just take 2 sides and smash it together. That is how it looks at the end. Yeah, my sandwiches are not for the faint of heart. If you can't eat, like really eat, yeah. So guys, that was our recipe for the day. My very big sandwich, but trust, it is really good. It's really filling. It's weird, but like, it's just who I am. I'm sorry. But yeah, I will catch you next time on another Lazy Chef. Bye.